Imagine the sky painted with the soft glow of evening, the wind whispering gently as it brushes your skin. In that quiet moment, the ache of missing someone settles like a tender weight. It reminds us that longing is a universal echo of love, a reminder that our hearts remain open even when distance grows. Picture a night where stars appear one by one, each a silent witness to tears that fall without sound. Those unseen drops speak of the courage to feel, to hold space for grief while still breathing. As you sit with this image, notice how your own breath mirrors the rhythm of memory, steady and compassionate. Allow the night to cradle you and let hope rise like the first shy light of dawn, offering gentle acceptance. What gentle memory comforts you when the night feels heavy?